Hello beautiful people, I am your girl, the empowering Angel Robinson, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Beauty Meets Business. I know, I'm in my kitchen and you're trying to find out why. The reason why I'm here today is because I wanted to share something with you guys. I am suffering from androgenetic alopecia, and what that is hair loss that's lost through the recession area and the crown. And the reason why I suffer that is because my mom suffered it, my dad suffered it, and my grandparents suffered it as well. So it has been passed down. But had I known this years ago, I could have slowed up the process or even stopped it if I known that if I just keep my body in the alkaline, more of alkaline than acidic pH, that I could have saved my hair. So today I am starting with nutritional deficiencies that we deal with every day that's causing hair loss. I want to say this first. I am not a doctor. I am a licensed trichologist, a licensed barber, and a certified holistic hair practitioner. And what that means is I help people heal their hair from the inside out by using nutrition first. We need to understand that illness only lives in acidic environments. It cannot live in alkaline environments. So with that being said, I found out the best way for me and my diet is to make it 80% alkaline and 20% acidic. And I'm dealing more with whole foods. I don't eat fraction foods anymore. And when I say fraction foods, I mean foods that's processed, fried, packaged, any of that. I do everything fresh now. So today I'm going to teach you guys one of my favorite recipes. I'm going to do a protein and gluten-free, fiber-rich, believe it or not, pasta. And I'm using Barilla. I hope I pronounced that right, Barilla. And it is Barilla Plus. It's protein, fiber, and it has omega-3. We need to go more towards an omega fatty acid diet, beautiful people, if we want to make our bodies more alkaline and keep our hair and grow it back. So with that being said, I'm cooking my wild caught salmon full of omega-3s and fatty acids in olive oil. I'm going to also use fresh thyme that I got everything from Whole Foods. I got fresh tomatoes, fresh onions, and I have mushrooms. And I'm going to cook this pasta and I'm going to show you step by step how I created this dish. And this dish is not just good, it is good for you. So guys, stay with me, stay with me, stay with me. I just want you guys to understand that, hey, if you need to see a doctor, go see a doctor. But hey, if you feel like you can heal yourself at home, heal yourself. Start with you. Be accountable for that one body God has blessed you with. Be accountable for that one body God has blessed you with. That's what we want to do. Today is about accountability. And I want to share some of the things that I use not only to help with my hair restoration, but I'm dealing with a leaky gut issue as well. So we're all not perfect people, but once we get a diet, and I want to say, don't let the word diet scare you. When I say diet, whenever I say that word, I'm using it as I changed my lifestyle. This is the way I eat now. This is my lifestyle. So this diet is mine. If you want to use it, feel free. But I will always say, do your own homework. Know your body. Talk to somebody. Talk to a professional and go from there. But from this point on, I am Healing Angel. And I'm going to share that with you guys. So come close as I cook this wild caught salmon pasta. All right, so mushrooms are a great antioxidant. Tomatoes are great for heart disease. Onions are great to regulate your sugar. And garlic is a great antimicrobial. I'm telling you, this thing right here will solve so many issues. Antimicrobial, hey, get with me, beautiful people. And then I'm gonna do the salmon. And the only thing I'm gonna put on this salmon is some pepper, some cracked pepper. I love to use this, and I like a lot of it. I don't cook with any salt anymore. I stopped doing that a long time ago, but I do cook with Mrs.Dash. It is salt free. You know, if you're not a Mrs.Dash fan, don't kill me. And I like a little crushed red peppers. Okay, so that's enough vegetables. I am a vegetable freak. So if you want less vegetables, you can, but I love vegetables. I'm gonna also add spinach, but I'll cook this first prior to putting the spinach in. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and fry the salmon hard. You know, I want to fry it hard because once I mix it in with the pasta, I want the salmon to sustain itself. I don't want it to fall apart on me. Even though I'm going to break it up in little pieces, I still don't want it to just flake off in the pasta. So hey, meet me over at the stove. All right guys, so we're over at the stove now. I'm already cooking my husband some bow tie noodles. He likes bow tie. And I like mine to be protein, fiber, and omega acids. I'm not having it no other way. I want this omega-3 and this fiber in me. So I'm gonna cook better today. My husband has been pescatarian for over 20 years. So his diet has been better than mine for a long time. I'm, you know, jumping in later on in life, and I hate that I waited so long, but now that I'm here, I wanna share my journey with you guys. All right, so we have the salmon already seasoned up. I'm gonna go ahead and, can you hear that? Such a beautiful day. I love the sound of cooking. I'm gonna pour me some more noodles. So I'm gonna let that salmon fry down hard. I'm gonna go ahead and flip that. The salmon is already done. I told y'all I like my salmon burnt. I told you I like it burnt. But cook it to your preference. I'm gonna add a little olive oil to the pan. I already cleaned the pan out. I'm gonna add a little olive oil to the pan. And now I'm gonna fry my vegetables. And I like my vegetables kind of tossed a little bit, not a whole lot. I don't like to overcook my veggies. And the veggies, the purpose of the veggies is to make the sauce that's gonna go over top of the pasta. I'm gonna add a little garlic butter too. It's 100% butter. So I like to add just a little bit. Wow, look how beautiful that is, right? Look at all the vegetables. I eat so many vegetables. I'm like a vegetable freak. I eat so many vegetables. So I just like them tossed around a little bit. So I already added the spinach. And I'm gonna toss this around. And it's making this beautiful, beautiful sauce to put on top of my pasta. Wow, look how beautiful that is. And I don't like my spinach tossed too much. That's enough for me. I really like to eat my spinach with its nutrients and vitamins in it. So I'll serve it just like this. That's it, just like that. All right, beautiful people, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial with your girl, the Empowered Angel Robinson. This was a quick tutorial on how to make your diet more alkaline, add in the right foods so you can grow your hair back and heal your leaky gut. Listen, we have to do better. 2019, moving forward, we have to do better. But I already put the pasta in a plate, and I'm gonna add the salmon and the spinach on top, and I'll let you guys see that. All right, you guys, so this is the finished look of the meal. Beautiful, right? Come on, who don't wanna eat right and eat good? good. This food is awesome.